We cruised along the Sea of Cortez, past the famous arch El Arco. We went out to where the sea meets the Pacific Ocean. Hello, everyone, and welcome to our channel. We are Trinice and Kevin West. Our channel is about traveling the world. We will show you how we are doing it, and we hope that we will inspire you to travel too. Join us on our adventures. There are numerous activities that you can do in Cabo San Lucas. We decided to take a sunset cruise. There are several ways that you can book this activity. If you're staying in a resort, you can book it through them. You will find numerous individuals throughout the area selling tours and tickets. We purchased our tickets near the resort area from a local vendor. I checked out the prices online. You can also book it there with reviews to get an idea of the going rate, so we didn't pay an exorbitant price. Sometimes you can get a better rate when you're negotiating in person rather than online. It just depends on the vendor. We paid approximately $70 per person for our sunset cruise. On the day of the cruise, we were instructed to wait at Dock 4. Our particular cruise was near the Señor Frogs area of the marina. Now, there are two Señor Frogs in Cabo San Lucas. There's one directly on the marina and another one on the main drag. It was a little chaotic at the marina because you had several cruises leaving from the same dock. The people who probably paid a little bit more for their cruise had an attendant waiting. Our boat representative showed up about 10 minutes before we embarked on our cruise. I wasn't particularly worried about being left, but I was beginning to be concerned that our slightly discounted rate would have us on a sketchy vessel. Our representative finally arrived and we got on our boat. The boat was actually nice and large. Seasickness can be an issue for me sometimes, but I was wearing my trusty sea bands, so I was prepared. So we finally made it on the boat and we're getting ready for the sunset cruise. It was a lovely evening and you can see the view from the boat. The yachts were amazing. It must be great to live that life, but everything always looks great when you're viewing it from the outside. This part was really crazy because there were so many boats trying to get out of the marina area out to sea through this small channel, but everyone was having a great time. It was definitely a lighthearted and party atmosphere. People were on vacation and just enjoying themselves. The vibe in Cabo is laid back, and it is definitely a tourist destination, so keep that in mind when you're visiting. There was music playing from all the different boats, and it was absolutely crazy. You gotta love Cabo.